You will never reach your destination if you stop and throw stone at the dog that bark. Wherever you feel you are decreasing your value, go less often. It is a someone heart, someone home, or a conversation and a memory. If you feel pain, you are alive. And if you feel other people pain, you are human being. Crow asked from parrot, why are you in cage? Then parrot replied, because I speak. Always be a unique character like salt. Its presence does not feel, but its absence make all the things tasteless. Sixth rule of maturity: control yourself, not other. Because controlling other is strength, and controlling yourself is true power. And the second, expect nothing and appreciate everything. Be grateful for the little thing in your life that give you inner peace. Do your effort and trust the process. Focus on your goal, not the outcome, and the outcome will follow. Learn to control react, because when you control your reaction, people become less to manipulate you. Nobody manipulate you. Stop telling everything to people, because most people don't listen and some secretly want you to fail. Choose your friend wisely, because the fastest way to become better is surround yourself with better people.